Check this. Check. Check. Check this.
शुरू हो गए क्या?
साइड में बोर्ड का जस्ट क्लियर रखिए
और पासिंग शॉट वगैरह ले बसा नमस्कार वेलकम
Great confidence. वो मायने भी बोले इसीलिए I told you, already told you.
लाइन में करना है।
नर्मदा
हाँ सर
थोड़ी बार ऊपर रहता हूँ, बात करो, बंद करो है, चालू करना बंद करो।
पास मैंने ड्रेस
काम मैंने किया, पेमेंट करो। नहीं नहीं नहीं
वो मालूम
सेफ रहेगा,
ऐसा कुछ नहीं मालूम
ये फट जाएगा।
कैमरे में देख लिया था नीचे।
जरा बैठ के लेंगे सब लोग, थोड़ा टाइम के लिए बंद करो, स्नैक जरा बंद कर लीजिएगा। माड़ा गांव देवी एसोसिएशन सेक्रेटरी की तरफ से आप सब लोगों को वेलकम करता हूं और आज के कार्यक्रम के पहला हमारा श्री गणेश नमः का मंत्र पहला सुन के आगे का कार्यक्रम शुरू करते हैं।
सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। वक्रतुंड महाकाय।
मेंबर लोगों को स्वागत करता हूँ और ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते हुए आगे का कार्यक्रम हमारे अपॉइंटेड डेवलपर मात्रा इंफ्रा प्रोजेक्ट, अभी नाम चेंज किया है रेक्सॉन इंफ्रा प्रोजेक्ट प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, उसके लिए उनके डायरेक्टर साहब श्री राजन शाह जी और श्री मनीष शाह जी और हमारे पहले के डायरेक्टर साहब मिस्टर परवेज दमानिया जी इधर आए हुए हैं अपना प्रेजेंट करने के लिए। उनका हम तालियों से स्वागत करते हैं। ताली। सबसे पहला मैं बोलूँगा कि पहला प्रेजेंटेशन देखना है कि डायरेक्टर साहब का कुछ स्पीच सुनना है। पहले प्रेजेंटेशन।
Presenting Matra Infra projects for you. The Matra Infra projects welcomes every one of you. We are presenting Matra Infra Projects Limited as a company. So next slide. We are the one of the known peer, like all the directors you already known. So this is a short introduction to our company. The later on the whatever we have proposed for you will be presented by our director Mr. Manish Shah. Yes. So dreams to reality. Yeah. So dreams to reality is where whatever our dreams are coming to a reality. Where as like we are an architect, as an construction team, and whatever like we have learned, we want to make those things into a reality, as well as the people we are serving as a service to all the members in the society. Next, about us. So it's as we are the established developer in Mumbai real estate, having a multiple location development. We'll be covering different projects in the coming slides for you. Whatever we have done work or the ongoing projects, etc. And so we are expertise in marketing, funding, as well as we have like 75 plus years of experience. So we have like our group, our whole company is like a family, where are the different promoters, family groups are like in a starting concept of one-stop solutions, as well as project advisory service in Mumbai since the 60s. So next, for our first designated partner in our company is Mr. Manish Shah. So he is a leader in Mumbai's real estate development, based in Mumbai, having a multiple presence across the city. So Manish Shah sir, he is sitting here. He is also expertise in different fields, whereas it's like redevelopment, development of the project, tie-ups, joint ventures, strategic partner allocations, etc. And he will be introducing himself later on. Coming to the next, Mr. Rajan Shah. So Mr. Rajan Shah is one of the founder of the Rexon, whereas he is also one of the known person in the market, whereas like what will I say about Rajan sir? I will like to tell Rajan sir to come here and just introduce himself and explain about the whatever projects he have done and what we are in a market as today's date. I welcome Mr. Rajan Shah here.
Good evening. Thank you very much for your presence. I'm Rajan Shah. मनीष भाई के साथ मेरी पार्टनरशिप भाईचारा दोस्ती तीनों है. We are doing lot many projects together. I'm here to show you some of my ongoing live projects. We have made some arrangement. Live projects. Zair, can you start that? थोड़ा सा लाइट कम कर देंगे प्लीज. People can see the projects live, where I am doing actual construction as a developer. We have around strength of our staff is around 300 plus. I have 10 architects, 80 plus engineer, 4 chartered accountant, 2 practicing advocates working with me in my company. This is Spenta Sun City. 100% share belongs to Rajan P. Shah. If anybody wants to know, they can see, you can see that on the government website. Project situated at Andheri Highway, 5.5 acre land. Conveyance land is on my name, 100% that is in my name. Consisting of 806 slum dwellers, where I've already given possession to 432 slum dwellers. Rest, the rehab work is on. Zay, can you move little ahead? Thoda sa upar, right. You can see people working at the site. I'm trying to show you the live pictures of the construction ongoing projects. This is the Andheri Highway, that little above, that's the Mogra station of Andheri. A frontage of around 1,150 feet on the Western Express Highway. I'm coming up with the 9 lakh RERA carpet square feet for a commercial project. At this moment, this may be the one of the biggest project in western suburbs for the commercial. I have done RERA registration before 3 days only. 15th May, I got the RERA registration certificate. I have not sold any single inch out of this project. Project turnover may be around 9 lakh carpet. Everybody is qualified here. I'm expecting turnaround of around 2,700 to 3,000 crores. Everything done by my company on our own. From planning, designing, acquisition, construction, everything. I have a labor strength of 1,600 laborers. The work is on. Anybody can visit the site. This is the live pictures at the site. 9 lakh square feet RERA carpet. Total built up area for this project is around 2 million square feet. That is 20 lakh square feet. I am constructing approximately 1,300 houses for the slum dwellers, where 806 are the members of that society. The society's name is Shiv Bhumi. And 506 I have to hand it over to government in the name of a PAP, that is project affected person. 5.5 acre land, conveyance, my name, single PR card, 100% share belongs to me. Company's name is Spenta Sun City Private Limited. I'm coming with the another project. Oral. This is society redevelopment, 95 members, 5072 meters plot, exactly on the Goregaon SV road. We will show you the location also there. Can you turn around please? This I am coming up with the 47-story tower, all approval obtained. In fact, today morning, Manish bhai, we had a site visit of the high-rise committee also. I have not sold 1 square feet out of this project. Building vacated, plinth is about to complete, foundation is done for 47-story tower, all approvals are in place. You can see that vehicle movement, that is SV road. Zair, वो हमारा sales office is right. Yeah. It is taking little long because the cameras live showing with the this hall doesn't have the internet connection, so we are running through the router. This 5,000 square feet place is my sales office. Can you look into that? After giving to the members, I have approximately 2 lakh RERA carpet for my sale here in this project. Valuation, you guys are very well known. A project turnover of around 700 crores. Not a single inch been sold till dated. Project ये stage तक मैंने लेके आया है. Not borrowed any money from anywhere in the market for this project. Entire view दिखाओ ना उसका. रिएक्शन हो रहा है. Construction is my passion. I am doing construction since last 30 years. Already constructed approximately 3 crore square feet with my hands. That is pan India. I have constructed at Cochin, Calicut, Jodhpur, Bhopal, Navi Mumbai, Thane and Mumbai. Nowadays I am focusing only in Mumbai city. This is the work going on. People are working live here. I said I have 1600 people working for me. We have another arm that I am coming later on. Third project. My third project is at Upper Chembur. It's again a SRA redevelopment. In Mumbai, nowadays there is no projects with a vacant plot. It can be a society redevelopment or a slum redevelopment. This project is exactly on the Eastern Freeway. You can see the construction both the side of a freeway. From this point reaching to VT station is 15-20 minutes. Where I am coming up with the small ticket size flats. A flat of a 300 carpet. I had launched before 2-3 months back. We have done a quite good booking of around 175 unit in this. A flat for 60 lakh rupees. inclusive of all. Construction in your own, you can see the people. There is a rehab building rear side, front side is a sale building. You can see not there, that is our sales office at the side. I do many projects for other developers also. People doesn't understand how to make plans, how to construct, coming up with the technology. I'm working for other developers also. People will say, "Arey Rajan bhai, are you a contractor?" I'm sorry, I'm not. We do projects with design and build. So we provide entire service to other developer with the planning, approvals, that side work. You can see here, there is another building going on where this project belongs to another group, where they were investor, their money was stuck up with some developer, they have taken over the company on my assurance. It is not only planning or execution. This project I have completed. There are 2 wings with occupation certificate, means that is with the approval also. No contractors in Mumbai does all such services. This is out of my 30 years experience. In your vicinity, I have completed one very nice project. Mostly people are knowing that, that is The Park, developed by another developer, but entire design, entire structural design, entire construction has been done by me. At the time of COVID, there were only 2 projects was on in Mumbai. One was Bhagubai College, that is of Sri Vile Parle Kelavadi Mangal, opposite Cooper Hospital. That college has been constructed by me in lockdown. And this work people have seen in your area, how I have completed The Park. Everybody has seen a 42-story building. In our area, we have a height restriction of approximately 127 meters. Such type of another project, I'm showing you live, Lal Bagh Dikhao. That is 190 meters, a 50-story tower. For Mr. Gundecha, a single building of 1.4 million square feet, 14 lakh foot, a contract of around, my work contract is around 800 crore rupees. So, by providing such kind of a services to other developer, my approximately turnover is around 1,500 crores of my ongoing projects. One project I am doing at Bandra Highway, I have just started before a week, where I am constructing 787 units, rehab as well as sale. Show that please. One must understand the strength of the developer in terms of entire thing. We have to evaluate everything from the knowledge, experience, construction ability, as well as important part, finance. By doing, this is exactly at Bandra Highway. You can show the highway please. I just started before a week. My specialty for doing construction. Out of my 30 years experience, I came up with one solution. No developers take this industry as a manufacturing industry. They think this is a trading industry. एक कोई प्लॉट ले लिया, एक आर्किटेक्ट अपॉइंट कर दिया, डिजाइन बना दिया, एक दूसरा आर्किटेक्ट अपॉइंट किया, माडा बीएमसी एसआरए में से प्लान पास करा लिया, वकील अपॉइंट करके डेवलपमेंट एग्रीमेंट प्री ट्रिपल ए बना लिया, कोई कॉन्ट्रैक्टर को अपॉइंट करके बिल्डिंग बना दिया. बट देयर इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ लॉट मेनी पीपल इन्वॉल्व to construct the building. Why projects getting delayed? Why in Dubai the government declares the date, metro will run on this date. Metro ka 100% construction is done by Indian laborers. I thought of that. Why we can't do this in Mumbai? Park का एक speciality बताता हूँ. There is 10 podiums. After that, I have casted a girder. It's a foundation in air of 3 meters, approximately of this height, another foundation. Because a car parking can't be possible with the vertical columns, जिसको सामान्य आदमी pillar बोलते हैं. Flat के pillars नीचे आएंगे तो you can't park the car. That entire project I have done with the aluminum formwork. I'll take 2 minutes of yours. What is aluminum formwork technology? Aluminum formwork technology is such technology where you don't have to do a brickwork or a plaster for your entire building. Entire building is pure of RCC. Your internal walls, everything. It's a mold. I am sure. कोई भी साइट खोलना एल्यूमिनियम दिखता है. राइट ले थोड़ा. I just recently completed one project at DN Nagar. That is approximately 6 lakh square feet. You can see the brand new aluminum. These are the molds. We just have to put steel खड़ा करो, panels खड़ा करो, deck panels बिछाओ, steel डालो, pour the concrete. Next day, your entire flats of that floors are ready with all the walls also. That's why you can see the humongous speed of the construction. Nowadays in Mumbai, nothing is available less than 30-35,000 square feet. Their RCC cost is around 2,000 rupees. Everybody knows this. Coordination amongst the consultants, an architect, a structural engineer, MEP consultant who designs your electricity, plumbing, water, seepage, then HVAC consultant, lighting consultant, many other consultants, that they should be brought on one page. I have done that. I am not a magician. But the system which I have generated, people had started following me. In Mumbai, nobody used to construct a 5, 7, 15-story building with this aluminum formwork technology. It was only used by L&T, for Oberoi Realty, and for many big developers. I brought that technology for the common people also. I have approximately stock of around 50,000 square meters of these aluminum panels. I have my own warehouse at Vasai. These panels can be used for 200 times. It is customized. Project to project, project wise, once your plans are finalized with all the details, then we don't require, once these panels has been reached at site, then we don't require anybody's drawings and the details, because that details के बिना ये panels बन ही नहीं सकता है. This mold can't be constructed. आप लोग ने सोचा कि हमने consent terms बहुत दिन पहले फाइल कर दिया. Why this presentation has been delayed? हमारा मानना ऐसा है, all the squares has to match what we are going to show. It must be delivered, it must be approvable, it must be a constructable. एक कार्टून फिल्म दिखाने का कि एक डमी प्लान्स दिखाने का, that we don't do. We have not appointed any architect. Everything done by us on our own consultation with the government official. Sir, we are proposing this under the DCPR 2034. उसके हिसाब से whether everything is in order or not before we come for the presentation. Now, your presentation Manish bhai is going to show you, ये कंस्ट्रक्शन एक्टिविटी, इसके पर ध्यान देना बहुत ज़्यादा जरूरी है. Rent is our temporary solution for a couple of years. Corpus is one time this thing, but our house, उसकी value, that is for the lifetime. I'm constructing another project in our vicinity, that is Leo Tower. Entire project designed by me. Developer came to us with the car lift and the basement and all these things. My architectural team overnight changed the plans. In that smallest plot, we have constructed with a ramp, no stake parkings, no basement. That is what is our speciality. The planning, you can see the live. The construction is on. थोड़ा zoom करो. You can see the aluminum panels. आपके सामने construction चल रहा है. I am targeting to complete this building by October, sir. Every month 4 slabs. Means एक महीने में 4 slab. Means that is 24 flats with बांधकाम and plaster. I said earlier, मेरे केस में बांधकाम plaster आता ही नहीं है. It is automatic. Once you pour the concrete, you can see these aluminum panels. इसके पर steel बिछा दो. Just pour the concrete with the RMC. Next day, open the panels. Your flats and the slabs are ready with the RCC. No question of leakage. No question of seepage. This is all RCC. लोगों का सवाल आता है, डेवलपर्स डजंट अंडरस्टैंड. तो जोड़ी फ्लैट करना है तो बीच की वॉल कैसा कट करेंगे? They have the experienced engineer of 25 and 30 and 40 years. They doesn't understand non-structural walls. जो हम ईंट का बनाते कि ब्लॉक का बनाते, that can be sliceable. It has got nothing to do with our structure. We can tamper with our columns and beams. But non-structural wall को इसके साथ कोई भी लेना देना नहीं है. You can see in between, we can see our society also. Everywhere, at this moment, with my own construction and other construction, approximately 7 million square foot work is on. That is 70 lakh square feet. कभी भी बॉम्बे में 50 लाख से 1 करोड़ स्क्वायर फीट के आसपास का काम चालू रहता है. Coming back to our society for these 232 members or 288 members, I was talking some days back with your committee members. आपका जो भी एरिया होता है उसको 1.5 टाइम्स करता हूँ मैं, तो इट विल बी द कंस्ट्रक्शन एरिया. मोटा मोटा योर बिल्डिंग्स कंस्ट्रक्शन can't be more than 3.5 lakh square feet. 70 lakh square feet में 3.5 lakh square feet is not big thing for me to construct, design or build, and that is in a right speed. When I construct for others and when I construct for myself, obviously there must be a small difference. आप खुद भी समझते हो कि जब भी अपनापन कोई चीज में आता है तभी उसका वैल्यू एडिशन और ज्यादा होता है. When I am doing a turnover of around 1500 crores for others, I am not including my projects as a developer. So making this 3.5 lakh square feet where the market cost is for others are 3,000, for but me it's not that 3,000. It is little less. So I am not worried at all for the cost of your building, which is around 80 to 90 crores for me. Total annual turnover ka, it will be not more than 7 to 9%. You can see all the site live. This is another project at near Leelavati that is consisting with the 5 basement, 106 story building. You can see people everywhere. I am showing you live. Your people are recording. You can visit the site. So, what presentation Manish Bhai is going to show you now is what we have designed for you. हम क्या उसमें deep thought process has been involved. This might not be the final presentation. We will welcome all the members' suggestion. We will once again come up with the fresh presentation if required. आपके कोई भी सजेशन पॉसिबल होते हैं उसको इनकॉर्पोरेट करने में. Nobody is claiming that we are full proof and 100%. From the planning point of view or from the requirement of the members on the sizes of the rooms, maybe for the bathroom or a living room or a bedroom or the sizes for the kitchen. So we give all opportunities. I'm constructing one building at Palil for Rustamji developers. Typical building, all the floors are different. They have made customized building for the members. ये फ्लोर पे किचन इधर है, ये फ्लोर पे बाथरूम इधर है, वो फ्लोर पे टॉयलेट इधर है. Very tedious project to work on. Next wall पे L&T के चेयरमैन साहब रहते हैं. Next wall पे Mr. Sanjay Dutt is residing. The restricting working hours. And have reached up to remarkable speed. They want to get their project completed in time. So we are working that project very hardly. So अभी जितना मैं मैक्सिमम आपको दिखा सकता था वो दिखाने का कोशिश किया. I don't think मुंबई में any developer has presented this much project live in their presentation. I am here till end of your presentation. If anybody wishes to ask me any question regarding approvals, planning, design, construction, your questions are all welcome after the presentation which Manish Bhai is going to show it to you. Thank you very much.
Technical things in our company. So these are the services that we provide, which are a development management, where is a land owned by us and we redevelop that. Then the society cluster redevelopment, which is your kind of society. The project we have already done, some projects are ongoing, and third is a project development. We also take the management project. As sir said, we act as like the finance is given by the different company, but at the same time we execute the whole project from the
कि उस पर आपका ध्यान रहे. टोल दो आदमी का बताया हुआ था, लेकिन वी आर ऑलवेज रेडी टू हैव प्रेजेंटेशन. जब तक आप सेटिस्फाइड नहीं होगे, वी हैव टू आंसर यू. सो दिस इज हाउ इट इज. इट विल बी लुकिंग लाइक अ क्लीन बिल्डिंग. इसकी सबसे अच्छी बात यह है कि हर मेंबर के फ्लैट इक्वल है यहाँ पे. हमको दूसरे चैलेंजेस बहुत आते हैं बाकी के प्रोजेक्ट में. 22 टाइप 23 टाइप के अलग अलग फ्लैट रहते हैं, उसका एलिवेशन अच्छा नहीं लगता. ये सब फ्लैट सेम है तो एलिवेशन इसका ब्यूटीफुल लग रहा है. आपने ऑलरेडी हमारा एक प्रोजेक्ट देखा होगा जो आपके एरिया में है, एंड यू हैव सीन द फिनिश. सो दिस इज व्हाट वी इंटेंड टू हैव. अ ग्राउंड प्लस अराउंड 5 to 6 का पोडियम. देन देयर इज अ फुल एमिनिटीज फ्लोर. एमिनिटीज हमने ग्राउंड पे नहीं प्रपोज किया है. सब एमिनिटीज जो है वो ई डेक लेवल पे है, 7th लेवल पे. पीछे किसी को नहीं दिखेगा तो आई विल टेक इट अप वंस अगेन. बट ऊपर पूरा एमिनिटीज है कि जहाँ पे आप यूज़ कर सकते हो, बाहर वाले वहाँ नहीं आ सकते. और उसके बाद में अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 33 स्टोरी बिल्डिंग. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट. दिस इज हाउ बिल्डिंग विल लुक लाइक फ्रॉम डाउन. पीछे से दिखता है सबको? इट्स विजिबल. ओके. नेक्स्ट. दिस इज द ई डेक लेवल. इसको अभी आजकल ई डेक लेवल इसलिए होता है, इट इज अ ई. इट इज एंड ऑन द पोडियम्स. ग्राउंड लेवल पे पहले क्या होता था, पुरानी बिल्डिंग में ग्राउंड पे सब एमिनिटीज होती थी. आज दिन में ग्राउंड पे तो एमिनिटीज रहती है, लेकिन एक स्पेशल फ्लोर क्रिएट किया जाता है एमिनिटीज के लिए जहाँ बिल्डिंग वाले जा सकते हैं. तो ये उसका व्यू है, ई डेक लेवल. नेक्स्ट. नाउ सम ऑफ द एमिनिटीज, थोड़ी सी एमिनिटीज ऐसी है जो सीनियर्स के लिए, मोस्ट ऑफ द जो बिल्डिंग में जो सीनियर्स है, यंग जनरेशन हु आर मोर देन 25, 28 टिल 40, 45, उनकी एमिनिटीज को ध्यान रखते हुए टेरेस में एमिनिटीज क्रिएट की है, लाइक गजीबो एंड ऑल. मैं एक एक एमिनिटीज पे आऊँगा, फिर भी वो क्रिएट टेरेस पे की है ऑन 34th फ्लोर, 34th लेवल पे. नेक्स्ट. नाउ दिस इज अ proposed amenities. This is a ground floor. Yeah, this is the ground floor. The marking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 everything is there on plan. आपको जो बुक दी गई है उसमें भी ये प्लान है. मैं खाली रीड आउट कर लेता हूँ. There is a drop off area. So this is your main road. This is the entrance to your RG. अभी जो माता जी का मंदिर है उसकी एंट्री है. The car will go and there is a drop off from back. Front में नहीं है. It is a back side drop off and car will go again out. So this is a lobby and drop off. So we have on this level drop off area. We have reception lobby. We have waterfront area. There will be a waterfront area here, entrance पे. Then we have a lift lobby. We have a parking, and ultimately it's a podium, and we have a podium का ramp. We don't have a car lift. हमारे पास car lift नहीं है. Ramp पे parking है. Car will go up. Clear? Ground floor पे इसके अलावा और कुछ नहीं है. It's a clean thing. Yeah, that is fine. This is a road what we have shown. Why the project? हमारा ये प्रेजेंटेशन डिले होने का कारण एक ये भी था कि अपना जो आरजी है ऑन दिस साइड, इफ़ यू रिमेंबर, हमारा जो आरजी है माता जी का मंदिर है, देयर इज़ अ वहाँ पे हमारे मंडप है जहाँ हमारा गणपति का वो सब कार्यक्रम होता है. और यहाँ पे बाजू वाली वॉल है जिसका इशू चल रहा था जो तोड़ने के टाइम लॉट्स ऑफ मेंबर है वॉलंटरली गॉन देयर टू स्टॉप देम. बहुत सारे जन ऐसे गए थे तो उसकी क्लैरिफिकेशन हम माड़ा से मांग रहे थे कि आरजी का इशू ये वापस क्रॉप अप नहीं हुए. वी आर सिक्योरिंग इट. हमने उसकी बाउंड्री वापस बनवा ली है. सातोस्कर जी खड़े थे वहाँ पे. और आज के टाइम पे अभी वहाँ पे वी आर कीपिंग एंड ट्राइंग टू पुट एन ऑफिस ओनली. हम हमारा कंटेनर डाल के ऑफिस चालू करने का सोच रहे हैं कि ये वापस इंसिडेंट नहीं हुए क्योंकि हमारा प्लानिंग उससे डिस्टर्ब होता है. सो देयर इज अ रोड विच इज कमिंग इनसाइड एंड देयर इज अ आरजी दिस साइड. दैट इज द रीजन वी वेट स्टॉप. नेक्स्ट. This is a podium level. Podium level में there is a ramp. Every floor, every podium में there is a again lobby, drop off lobby. So आदमी गाड़ी भी लगाता है तो वो फ्लोर से जा सकता है लॉबी में. And there is a parking area. Next. This is the heart of the project. Yeah, this is the heart of the project. Now there are 20 proposed amenities on the E-Tech level. Yeah, it's a mix of everyone. There is a jogging track. 1, 2, 3, 4 marking है आपको लेकिन पढ़ाई नहीं देगा यहाँ से तो it will be there in book. I will just read it out. There is a jogging track. But there is a cafeteria. There is a senior citizen corner where senior citizen can go and sit. It is a specially made for senior citizens. There is toddlers area छोटे बच्चों के लिए. There is a rock climbing where बच्चे the kids can have a physical activities. There is indoor games and carom room. There is a society office. There is a वैसे अगर किसी ने हमारा इसके पहले का एक प्रेजेंटेशन देखा होगा एट सोसाइटी, वी हैव मेंशन इन एवरी प्रोजेक्ट. वी हैव अ इमरजेंसी आईसीयू यूनिट वी प्रोवाइड इन एवरी प्रोजेक्ट फॉर इमरजेंसीज आफ्टर दिस पेंडेमिक कोविड एंड एवरीथिंग. इट्स बेटर वी हैव समथिंग इनसाइड द बिल्डिंग. आई एम श्योर देयर विल बी डॉक्टर्स इन द बिल्डिंग हु कैन हेल्प देम. सो देयर इज अ इमरजेंसी मेडिकल यूनिट. दैट इज ओपन योगा एंड मेडिटेशन सेंटर. देयर इज अ zen garden which is a new concept. It does dusk. It won't be visible. Fine. So there is a zen garden. There is a gymnasium. There is a hobby choice. Hobby choice means अगर छोटे बच्चे हैं और उनको कोई हॉबी सीखनी है, सिंगिंग क्लासेस, तबला क्लासेस, पेंटिंग क्लासेस, that area is dedicated and you can periodical call tutor to come and teach them. So all kids can join. So it's a hobby center. It is for everyone. Cooking classes, whatever. छोटे के लिए, बड़ों के लिए. There is a kitchen. There is a common kitchen to give services to banquet hall. Then there is a business center. There is a cafeteria and there is an open cafeteria. There is an open gym also. There is a let's say garden. There is a multi-purpose hall connected to your open area. यानी multi-purpose hall means आपके वहाँ 288 members. I'm talking about all 6 societies right now. Plus there will be the sale wing. So people will require some space to enjoy your functions. So this area is made for that. It is around 2,000 odd square feet. Then there is open party lounge. These are the basic amenities what we have covered on E-Deck level. There is the amenities on ground and terrace also. ये E-Deck level की amenities है. Next. Now, these are some of the amenities we have proposed on terrace. Definitely this is subject to your feedback to us. इसके अलावा आपकी कोई विश लिस्ट है, आपकी कोई रिक्वायरमेंट है जो हम अकम्प्लिश कर सकते हैं तो विल बी हैप्पी. अगर आपको आपके हिसाब से कुछ और बताना है तो प्लीज राइट टू योर फेडरेशन, योर मैनेजिंग कमिटी member, to individual societies. On terrace we have air lounge because lots of the young generation nowadays want to sit at home or they want to call everybody home. So we should have some place where they can go. So air lounge is to sitting area on the terrace for kids, for the younger generation. There is a viewing deck because the view from 33, we have done the view, it's amazing. You can see 360 from upstairs. There is a viewing deck on the top floor. There is a lawn on the top floor. There is a rooftop party area. There is a party area in the E-deck. Another one party area on the terrace. And there is a multi-purpose area for you can use it for sitting or couch or your parties. So there are 4 different elements. चारों अलग-अलग है. All are connected from your lobby. People can have 4 different events on 4 corners. Yeah, this is a terrace plan. Next. These are some of the pictures, how it will look. This is how lobby will look. This is your lift lobby, that is a reception area. Water body I was talking about. Then society office, drop off area. This is how we have designed your entrance lobby right now. How we project it, हमको जैसी बनानी है, हमने try किया है बनाने की. Next. This is what I was talking about, multi-purpose hall. The same can be used for function, meetings, AGM, gathering. There is a cafeteria adjoined in open cafeteria. Next. Then there is a society office, how it can be made indoor game zone. Next. Landscape garden and Zen garden. Zen garden is a walking track for acupressure. Next. There is an indoor gym. There is an open gym. Next. A jogging or walking track. A turf lawn. Rock climbing. Toddlers corner area. Kids play area. Senior citizen corner where senior citizen can go and rest. Next. A community kitchen, which I told you that will be a central kitchen and hobby center. This is I was talking about the terrace amenities, open cafeteria and open yoga and meditation area. Next. Open party lounge, rooftop party area. Next. Now this is a floor plan what we have designed, very clean, very neat. इसमें कोई भी differences नहीं है. There are 8 flat per floor. There are 8 flat per floor. इसमें कोई भी फ्लैट एक दूसरे को देख नहीं रहा है. None of the flat can see each other. Clear? कोई भी सामने सामने एक दूसरे को देख नहीं रहा है. Everybody they have a open ventilation. There is absolutely no wastage. There is no passage here, anywhere. We have tried to maximize the area to give you maximum benefit if possible. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lifts. So every building has a 6 lift. 8 flat and 6 lift. There are common areas, 2 staircases. On top of it, if you see, there are separate lifts for every corner to have a free flow. आदमी लोग या कि एक बिल्डिंग में अंदर 288 फ्लैट होने और एक फ्लैट में 3-4 आदमी रहते हैं, 700-800 आदमी का उसके अंदर फ्लो रहता है डेली. सो वो हिसाब से इसको प्लान किया हुआ है. दिस इज अप्रूवेबल. इसमें अ सिंगल स्क्वायर फीट ऐसा नहीं है जो अप्रूवल नहीं पॉसिबल है. वी कैन पुट दिस प्लान इमीडिएटली टुमारो टू गेट अप्रूवल. दिस इज एज पर सैंक्शनेबल प्लान. ओनली डिफरेंस अगर आपके वहाँ से कोई रिक्वेस्ट आएगी, आपके वहाँ से कोई सजेशन आएगा, विच आई एम श्योर कमिटी मेंबर और फेडरेशन विल लुक इनटू इट. We will sit together and this plan can be changed. Subject to everybody approves. We have made couple of, I will show you, हमने दूसरे भी इसके ऑप्शन बनाए हुए थे for betterment. But ultimately you people have to see this. So once we'll give you a book, आप देखिए, अगर आपके कुछ suggestion है, please inform them. We are always open to change for betterment. हमारे से जो सकेगा we'll do it because it is your building, your area. You should be satisfied. Next. And this is how it will look. Entry, approximately 270 square feet or 75 square feet का living, separate dining area, separate sitting area, a kitchen or around 70-75 square feet, a bedroom of around 100-110 square feet के, one common toilet, one attached toilet, Second also can be attached. The planning is there and there is no passage. So almost all flats are same, clear flats. Absolutely no column, beam, as per Vastu, exactly rectangle and fully ventilated from everywhere. Right? So this is how we have planned. 8 flat per floor, 33 floors, approximately 7 floor ka podium, E-deck level and terrace garden. And this we can achieve very fast because all floors are same. Rajan has already told you how we develop. So once we make first, second floor, then repetition of 4 slab per month. This is only 38, 39 slabs. So this is how it will look. This is type 1 flat. Same, there is a type 2 flat because there is a do combination of flat. Next. This is how your living will look like. This is exactly what you have seen right now on plan. आपने जो प्लान पे देखा है वही साइज का ये बनाया गया है. This is how it will look like. Next. This is how bedroom will look like. Next. This is the second bedroom, how it will look like. This is the kitchen. Yeah. In kitchen and toilet, we have not mentioned here. I will write a letter to you. In kitchen and toilet, we normally have a practice. हमारे यहाँ practice है कि हम जब ये building बनती होगी तभी we'll have a sample flats. We'll be making 4 type of kitchen and 4 type of toilets. आपको आना है और आपको choose करना है which you want. So that it is not covered here. I will write a letter. It might be missed from my team. But हमने multiple हमारे presentation में बोला गया है. Every society we normally provide this. There will be a 4 kind of kitchen made on the side. There will be 4 kind of toilet made on the side. You people will be called by my sales team and you have to come and choose. Because somebody जो kitchen है और toilet we हम ऐसा समझ रहे कि ये दोनों चीज़ रेडी होनी चाहिए क्योंकि जब आप वापस आओगे आपका भाड़ा वहाँ से बंद हो जाएगा और यहाँ आपका किचन और टॉयलेट नहीं है तो आप बना नहीं पाओगे खाना. सो हम जनरली वो प्रोवाइड करते हैं फुल्ली इक्विप्ड किचन मीन्स मॉड्यूलर किचन एंड टॉयलेट वी आर मेक फुल टॉयलेट. इट इज बोथ ऑफ दैट यू कैन नॉट डिमोलिश बिकॉज इट विल बी मेड एज पर योर चॉइस. आपके चॉइस के हिसाब से हम बना रहे हैं. आपको 4 चॉइस देंगे लेकिन ये 2 चीज़ आप तोड़ नहीं पाओगे क्योंकि इसके कारण आपका लीकेज टाइम सब वेस्ट होता है. सो दिस इज द किचन हाउ इट इज. दिस इज द टॉयलेट हाउ इट विल लुक लाइक. दिस इज द कमर्शियल व्हाट वी हैव मेड अंडरस्टैंडिंग. जो आपके पास ऑलरेडी कमर्शियल हमारा जो डिसाइडेड है 25,000 is the rent what we have discussed and finalized. 585 square feet carpet area, not RERA carpet, it is a MOFA carpet area. जब क्योंकि हम जब आए थे 2016 में तब RERA नहीं था. So RERA carpet area will be around 20-30 square feet extra than this. Corpus is 7 lakh rupees. Brokerage is 1 month. Transportation charge is 15,000 and everybody will get 1 parking. This is a commercial for everyone to आपको बताने के लिए है क्योंकि ये this is आधे जन ऐसे नहीं होने चाहिए जिसको मालूम नहीं है क्या हो रहा है. Everybody cannot participate. I'm sure committee member and lots of people will be knowing it. This is a commercial. Now come the main part. Next. This is how we propose to trigger the. अभी कल से क्या? अभी जो time गया लेकिन कल से क्या? So this will be there in your book. It's called a execution timeline, which is a bar chart. Approximately from today, how we will work. So our presentation is day 1 down 20th May. Secondly. अप्रूवल एग्जीक्यूशन जो हमको BMC माड़ा क्या क्या अप्रूवल लेने हैं एवरीथिंग विल बी डन इन अराउंड 45 days. इट विल टेक अराउंड 45 days. दिस इज अ साइनिंग ऑफ डेवलपमेंट एग्रीमेंट वी हैव टू कंप्लीट इन 45 days. बोथ विल गो साइमल्टेनियसली. 45 days आज से क्योंकि डेवलपमेंट एग्रीमेंट का ड्राफ्ट वी हैव शेयर विद द सोसाइटी मैनेजिंग कमिटी मेंबर एंड फेडरेशन. दे विल गिव इट टू यू. यू हैव टू गो थ्रू इट, सी हाउ यू आर सिक्योर्ड. आपकी सिक्योरिटी उसमें कहाँ है, हमारी सिक्योरिटी कैसी है. वी विल वर्क इट आउट. There will be a joint meeting with changes. आप जो दोगे उनको they will come to us, will finalize. Around that will take 45 days. On the higher side we are expecting it should be closed in 30 days. Fastest is better for us because after that only we can put up plans. There are 2 ways to do it. We have already shown the plan, it is approvable. The fastest we complete development agreement we can put the plan, which will take approximately 60 days. Then this is already in your book, so you will be able to read it properly. Then procuring IOD. After my approval of plan around 15 days, then execution of individual agreements. जब तक प्लान मेरा अप्रूव नहीं होता है, आपका ये बिल्डिंग अप्रूव नहीं है, यू कैन नॉट मेक इंडिविजुअल एग्रीमेंट्स. तो देयर विल बी इंडिविजुअल एग्रीमेंट. आपके सबके डॉक्यूमेंट पे हमको स्टैम्प ड्यूटी भरनी है. यू हैव टू गो थ्रू इट. वी विल शेयर द इंडिविजुअल एग्रीमेंट का ड्राफ्ट ऑल्सो. एवरीबडी विल बी गिवन अ चांस टू गो थ्रू इट. वंस आप ओके करोगे तो एवरीथिंग विल बी डन ऑन योर साइट. आपको किसी को भी हमारी ऑफिस में आना नहीं है. हमारे ऑल साइट के ऊपर देयर इज एन ऑफिस. आपकी ऑफिस में भी विल बी स्टार्टिंग अवर ऑफिस सून इन नियर फ्यूचर वंस दिस इज नाउ डन with consultation of your members or committee members and federation will be installing our office and staff on site. आपकी कोई भी query है, you can let them know. They will take you to our staff and we'll try to resolve there only on your site. आपकी जगह पे ही आपका solution मिलना चाहिए, न कि आपको हमारी ऑफिस में रोज धक्के खाने हैं. So that document will be done also on site. Whatever document has to be done, it will be done on your site, Oshiwara Gaondevi only. Nobody has to run here and there. Registration we will manage, we will take the time, we will give you the slot, and that time people has to go and come for registration. Then we will, once everything is done, your document is done, आपके प्लान अप्रूव हो चुके हैं, हमने जो पैसा भरना है सब भर दिया है, you can get it verified. उसके बाद में ही we will send you a vacating notice to vacate. Clear? जब तक आप satisfied नहीं हो, आपके सब प्लान दिखा नहीं सकते हो, जिसको दिखाना दिखा सकते हो. You can inform managing committee में हमारे से कोई गलती हुई तो फिर इंडिविजुअल एग्रीमेंट बनेगा. इंडिविजुअल एग्रीमेंट रजिस्टर होगा जिसमें आपका नया प्लान, नया फ्लैट नंबर सब अलॉट होगा. आफ्टर दैट ओनली वी आर गोइंग टू सर्व वेकेटिंग नोटिस, नॉट बिफोर दैट. क्लियर? सो वेकेटिंग विल बी अराउंड 30 days बिकॉज आई एम 70-80% members in your building have rented that house. So you should know this timelines. Then there will be a demolition in CC and we will complete the project in what date. So this is part of your book now. इससे टाइम कम होगा, ज़्यादा होने का चांसेस नहीं है. This we can cover in any other documents also. तो this is part of your future में अभी क्या करना है. आपके बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन इस पे आने थे. तो this is your bar chart. It is there in your book. Next. Thank you very much. Let's committed to make Shri Oshiwara Gaondevi finest home to live. This is a tagline what we understand. And disclaimer is हमने जो दिखाया it's a projection. We intend to make this or better than this. हम इनसे ज़्यादा अच्छा बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे. अगर इसमें कोई भूल चूक हो जाएगी तो please ignore the same. It is not intentionally. It may be by mistake of me, my staff or my family members. So please accept it as my apology. Once again, मैं दिल से एकदम तहे दिल से आपका माफ़ी मांगना चाहता हूँ. That was a delay. लेकिन 10 साल तक हमने इसका वेट किया है. जनरेशन नेक्स्ट आएगी, उनको भी हमको ये नहीं देना है. प्लीज़ एक प्रण करके निकलिए यहाँ से. जब जाएंगे, लेट इट बी वेरी ट्रांसपेरेंट. यू हैव अ गुड पीपल ऑन टीम. Everybody is together. There is no fight among society members or managing committee members. All is sacrifice. सब पास में किसी ने सब कुछ sacrifice किया है. Let's see future tomorrow. आजू बाजू के हम लोग 10 प्रोजेक्ट और किसी के भी कर रहे हैं जो बना नहीं पा रहे, तो हम तो हमारा प्रोजेक्ट तो फास्ट बनाएंगे. Please be cooperative, be fast, be initiative rather than pulling leg each other. We are always there. You can write your questions. We are ready to come 10 times to answer your question. लेकिन हमारा आंसर हम ही दे सकेंगे. Please don't blame each other. We are always available to answer our questions. Clear? हम हमारे जवाब खुद ही देंगे. So आपको हमारे पे भरोसा रखना चाहिए. आपके सवाल हमको डायरेक्ट पूछिए. So we end up presentation of Oshiwara Gaondevi here. Now this is what we have covered right now, but we have captured it. Visualize also a video how Oshiwara will be there. So it's called a walkthrough. It can a video presentation. So bear with me for 3-4 minutes, 5 minutes का video. So let's play that. use this. So here the presentation of your society, आपकी society का presentation is over. While going, the booklet will be given to you. तो आप उसको study कर सकते हो, आपकी कोई query है, कोई changes है तो आप बता सकते हो. Now we'll open up, turn on the light. खाना था, हमने उसके लिए place mark किया हुआ है. Volume, okay. Full है ये. Okay. So देवी का मंदिर जो है और गणपति मंदिर जो अभी आज उसको अपन इतने साल से पूजा कर रहे हैं उसके लिए आपने ध्यान रखा हुआ है. उनका प्रोविजन हैज़ बीन मेड, बट वो दिशा प्रॉपर है या नहीं वो हमको पता नहीं है. सो वो पूछ के हम प्लेस करेंगे. सो फॉर दैट वी हैव टू मीट टुगेदर एंड फाइंड आउट द प्लेस वेयर की प्लान इज फिक्स. प्लान में कोई भी चेंज नहीं आएगा अनलेस अनटिल आप बताओगे. एक स्मॉल करेक्शन था, हमने इसके दूसरे भी एक ऑप्शन बनाया हुआ है. जस्ट गो थ्रू एंड रन इट. विल शेयर इट विथ यू ऑल्सो. इट इज़ नॉट इन बुकलेट, बट हमने एक दूसरा भी एक ऑप्शन इसका बनाया हुआ था. इसमें ऐसे कोई मेंबर है जिसके 2 फ्लैट है, अलग अलग जिसके 2 फ्लैट है. या सो दे विल बी हैविंग अ क्वेरी, क्योंकि हम नॉर्मली बहुत सारी सोसाइटी में ये क्वेरी आती है, फ्लोर कौन सा मिलेगा, 2 फ्लैट साथ में हो गए. राजन इज एक्सपर्ट इन कंस्ट्रक्शन, ये तो पूरा स्टील का बिल्डिंग बनाएगा तो फिर उसमें दीवार तोड़ेंगे या नहीं तोड़ेंगे. इट इज़ पॉसिबल. वी हैव मेड वन सैम्पल ऑफ बोथ. 2 बेडरूम के 2 फ्लैट अगर कंबाइन करते हैं अराउंड 585 स्क्वायर फीट में 2 बेडरूम, एंड देन इफ यू कंबाइन टुगेदर तो क्या होगा. सो वी विल कम, हम वो सॉल्यूशन लाएंगे कि वो जो 2 फ्लैट है उनको कैसे फ्लैट अलॉट करना है. वी विल सजेस्ट द कमिटी एंड फेडरेशन एंड दे हैव टू टेक कॉल. बट आई विल शो यू वन सैम्पल विच इज मेड टुडे. इट इज नॉट इन बुकलेट बिकॉज देर आई एम अवेयर देर विल बी पीपल हु हैव 2 फ्लैट्स टुगेदर एंड हाउ द 2 फ्लैट कॉम्बिनेशन विल लुक लाइक. Yeah, this is how it will look like. A common entry 20 by 21 by 22, around 420 or 440 square feet का living. There is one master bedroom, a 10 by 1680 square feet का master bedroom, a toilet 7 by 5 around 40-45 square feet, and 1, 2, 3 bedrooms. So there are 4 bedrooms, a clear living room facing full window. So this is combination of 2 flats, जिसके 2 फ्लैट है. You can write to the committee while making, we will make this arrangement. हम यही हिसाब से इसको प्लान करके देंगे कि उनको बाद में कुछ नहीं करना पड़े. It is subjective, लेकिन you have to tell us which flat has been allotted to them. While construction, Rajan can take care of it. Clear? जिसके 2 फ्लैट है उसके क्लियर. आपको ये डर होगा इसका चेंजेस पॉसिबल है या नहीं. सो आपको ये बताना है हमको कि हमारे 2 बेडरूम है और कमिटी और सोसाइटी फेडरेशन ने कौन से फ्लैट अलॉट किए गए. वाइल कंस्ट्रक्शन इट कैन बी टेकन केयर ऑफ बाय माई टीम ऑन द साइट. क्लियर? सो दिस इज हाउ इट विल लुक लाइक. अ बिगर किचन, अ लिविंग रूम, नो कॉलम इन बिटवीन, 1, 2, 3, 4 बेडरूम जिसमें 2 मास्टर्स हैं, 3 अलॉटेड है यानी 3 अटैच्ड है और एक कॉमन टॉयलेट है. क्लियर? कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ 2 फ्लैट. सो दिस इज अ वी विल गेट इट अप्रूव्ड ऑल्सो. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम साइट पे कर देंगे और प्लान में कुछ अलग होगा. वी कैन गेट इट अप्रूव्ड ऑल्सो ऑन ओसी. ऑक्यूपेशन के टाइम पे आपका फ्लैट ऐसा आपको अप्रूव करके देंगे कि आपको पीछे जाके प्रॉब्लम नहीं आए. क्लियर? नो शॉर्टकट्स. आज के टाइम में कोई भी शॉर्टकट नहीं लेता है. जो डेवलपर करते हैं वो आगे फंसते हैं, मेंबर भी परेशान होते हैं. सो वी कैन गेट दिस अप्रूव्ड एंड गिव इट टू यू द कीज. आपको जब पोजीशन देंगे तो ऐसा अप्रूव करके देंगे. क्लियर? थैंक यू वेरी मच. वन मोर ऑप्शन ऑफ 2 बेडरूम सातोदर जी हमने बनाया है जस्ट चेंजेस करने के लिए. द डिफरेंस आपको जो बुक दी गई है उसके अंदर अराउंड 250 स्क्वायर फीट के आजू बाजू का लिविंग रूम है और बेडरूम्स आर 100 स्क्वायर फीट. पर हमारे बहुत सारी सोसाइटी में से रिक्वेस्ट आता है कि बेडरूम बड़ा कीजिए, लिविंग थोड़ा कम कीजिए. तो वो भी ऑप्शन हमने रेडी रखा हुआ है. यू हैव टू डिसाइड. सो आई विल शो यू दैट इनमें वी हैव लिटरली रिड्यूस द साइज ऑफ लिविंग, बट बेडरूम में हमने 130-125 स्क्वायर फीट के बेडरूम रखे हुए हैं. अगर लिविंग कम करना है और बेडरूम की साइज बढ़ानी है तो ये ऑप्शन अवेलेबल है. सेम प्लान में सेम आउटलाइन में. सो दैट यू हैव टू डिसाइड. आपको डिसाइड करके हमको बताना है क्योंकि हमारे भी बिल्डिंग में यही बनना है. हमारे सेम बिल्ड में भी यही से फ्लैट बनने 600 फुट के. सो दिस इज व्हाट वी कैन डू. वी कैन मेक अ मास्टर बेडरूम बिगर, little toilet bigger than that what is shown in your plan right now, a bigger kitchen than what you have seen right now, but living we are reducing little bit. तो ये ऑप्शन भी हमारे पास रेडी है. अगर आप बोलोगे तो we can make that changes right now also. Done. So we are open for any question. Cordless mic. But एक अभी लीजिए तो बेटर है, सबको पहुंचेगा. If some balance are there, you can always contact us. This book will be online. हम एक आपको लिंक भेजेंगे. This book will be online also. So somebody is not staying in India, abroad में है, out of India है, they can go on that link, see the same book online also. Right? This video, everything will be putting in online. तो कोई भी चीज़ ऐसी नहीं है जो आप आज को नहीं मिली तो रह जाएगा. We will share the link. हम आपको बुक की और ये वीडियो की लिंक भेजेंगे. You can see online. Yeah.